Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly, your manual shift mode stops working. You try to shift gears manually but nothing happens. Then your check engine light pops up, and when you scan for codes, you get P0955. This means there's a problem with the auto shift manual mode control circuit, leading to issues with manual shifting, erratic gear changes, or even transmission failure. Today, we'll explain what P0955 means, where the key sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0955? DTC P0955 stands for Auto Shift Manual Mode Control Circuit High. This means the system has detected a higher than normal voltage in the manual shift control circuit, which can be caused by faulty wiring, a failing shift selector switch, or a problem with the transmission control module, TCM. Common symptoms of P0955. If your car has this code, you may experience manual shift mode not working, delayed or erratic shifting, transmission getting stuck in a single gear, limp mode, check engine light or transmission, warning light, unexpected automatic gear changes while in manual mode, sensor and component locations, very important. To fix P0955, you need to check these key components: gear shift, selector switch, location, found inside the center console attached to the gear shift lever, function. Sends manual shift signals to the transmission control module, TCM, transmission control module, TCM, location, usually under the hood near the battery, on the transmission housing, or behind the dashboard, function. Processes manual shift inputs and controls gear shifting, shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location, mounted inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting, input and output speed sensors. Location, found on the transmission case near the drive shaft. Function, monitors engine RPM and transmission speed to ensure accurate shifting. Wiring and ground connections location, runs from the gear selector switch to the TCM and shift solenoids. Function, ensures proper voltage flow to the shifting components. What causes P0955? Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Shorted or damaged wiring, leads to excessive voltage in the shift circuit. 2. Faulty gear shift selector switch, sends incorrect signals to the TCM. 3. Malfunctioning TCM, results in high voltage or erratic shifting behavior. 4. Failed shift solenoids, prevents smooth manual mode operation. 5. Bad ground connections or a weak battery, causes unstable voltage levels. How to fix P0955? Step 1. Check the gear shift selector switch, remove the center console cover and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to check for high voltage readings in the circuit. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or shorted wires leading to the gear selector and TCM. Wiggle the wires while testing voltage to see if the signal fluctuates. Step 3. Test the battery and ground connections. Check battery voltage, should be 12.6V or higher. Clean any corroded ground connections to stabilize voltage. Step 4. Check the shift solenoids, remove the transmission pan and test solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace any faulty solenoids that cause excessive voltage spikes. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM. Drive the car and monitor shift behavior. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive the car to confirm that manual mode works correctly. Final words: if you're dealing with P0955, your manual shift control circuit is receiving too much voltage, which can cause erratic shifting or manual mode failure. Fixing this issue early will restore smooth gear shifting and prevent further transmission damage. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0776, Pressure Control Solenoid B Performance. P0777, Pressure Control Solenoid B Stuck on. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.